the cross, a follower of the Lamb. And shall I fear to own his cross, or blush to speak his name? Must I be carried through the skies on flowery beds of bliss, while others fought to win the prize and sailed through bloody seas? Are there no foes for me to face? Must I not stand the flood? Is this my world a friend to grace, to help me on to